hakiti bentah jong kejing takhu. Ke Shillong Press Club kelalong kanong job ke Lympung ilakai kriket kebasan jong ke North East Media Tournament. Kila penrem ya ke Media 11 jong ke Guwahati dah kendai run ke jing ilakai final ke Internet bah. Ke Shillong Press Club kelatiet nengkong dah ke bakamai sispak so praran nak ikat kendai pensan over. Ke Media 11 kelab bek ya kini ketong bat kelak bantiet tang sispak lep kendai run bat sya penhap nok barok ki weekend. Ke Kusnam sya ke kunhun ladu lasam yau dau deputy speaker ke Asam unumal momen ubalayaro ya ke kunhun ke belajam. Ke jing lakai kalong ke Internet bah ke berapun i ya kesap bekerpang jong ina ilkai kilat petai kubor.
Congratulations, Meghalaya Shillong team, for this wonderful victory of the fifth Northeast Media Cricket Tournament, and you have really played well. Assam team also played very well, but regular interval they lost the wicket. They could not capitalize their initial lead. Anyway, both the team played very well, but Shillong team, they played better than Assam team, so become a victorious. So my heartiest congratulations to you and best wishes for future endeavor.
Ke Lympung ilakai football jong ke KSU umsning circle